Hey, good morning, everybody, and welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, November 29th, and a few economic news scheduled for today. We'll jump right on into it and be prepared. It's going to be kind of mixed stuff, kind of weird, funky looking stuff here. So we'll start off with the Case-Shiller home prices. We're showing 0.2%. This is for August numbers, and for August, and then it actually came in a negative 0.67 for September. So obviously not good numbers there. Then we'll look at the consumer confidence, and we had 40.9, so really low consumer confidence. We figured it'd go up a little bit, and it jumped up to 56. So really kind of strange that people all of a sudden like turn on the like a light just turning on, and all of a sudden everybody's feeling pretty good. So kind of surprised. Don't know why people are feeling that much, especially with all the negative news being reported. So it'll be interesting to find out, dig a little deeper to find out what's going on there. Now, here's another perplexing thing here, and that's why you're going to see the markets a little probably narrow in to find out which way things are going to go. But the FHA, FA home prices came and in August it was at negative 0.1, so it was down, kind of similar case shorter, but it was at a slight negative, and that one went upwards. So kind of different direction. So it's kind of interesting to see how these two indexes come in with the opposite results. So let's jump in here to the headline news. And we had the stock markets up a little bit. Dow's up about 70 right now so far this morning. And then another thing is the European Central Bank is hinting at a kind of easing program over there. So people, of course, are watching Europe as what's going on over there. We've been experiencing some good things here with the Cyber Monday and Black Friday and such, that things are looking pretty good in that respect here. So good things. So let's go ahead and see how all this is playing out in the bond market, where interest rates are going. As we saw yesterday, it was kind of a weird day. Probably the traders, a lot of them probably sitting in the Hamptons, as a friend of mine, Dan, joked. But the results are, we start off the day way down here, and we shot right back up. So we're kind of, top of the range here. We're probably where we should be in this range here, rather than down here or way up here. We probably should be in this range, and we were actually down about 12 basis points earlier today, this morning, and then pulled back to zero. And we basically opened up 12 basis points from where we left off yesterday. So we're just hanging just below the 10-day moving average. Notice how the 10-day moving average is kind of moving almost in a sideways pattern here. The market's just a little perplexed, doesn't know which way to go with the news with Europe, with some of the weird news we just got today, where FHFA is pointing upwards, whereas the Case-Shiller is going downwards. Consumer confidence jumps from 40 all the way up to 56. Just a lot of mixed bag news there. So it's going to take a little time to digest this a little bit and kind of figure out what's really going on here. And right now the market's really not certain where it is. So that's why you're going to see some probably some funny looking numbers here, and probably going sideways until they can kind of determine what's going on, or see some final decisions. And once it does, it could go break either to the better or to the worse. So prepared for some volatility here. So anyways, results are interest rates are down a little bit today, are up a little bit today. Bond market's down, so therefore interest rates are up a little bit today versus yesterday, depending on, assuming you had a price improvement in the day yesterday, or they could be pretty close depending on when they did the price improvement yesterday. It could be the same as after their price improvement. So depending on yesterday's results in the letter. So, all right, folks, if you guys are on my site, Mike's Daily Market Report, please subscribe, get your daily market reports emailed to you. Or if you're on the YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe there. Love to see you guys there. Have a wonderful day, and see you tomorrow.